While many foreigners live in Vietnam for an extended period of time without needing a lawyer, but that doesn't mean that you don't need a lawyer. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ken Yeung, international business attorney and immigration to help small businesses and companies. We definitely know the difficulties of setting up a business, finding business partners and suppliers in Vietnam, and other legal matters that foreigners just like you are facing. I myself moved back to Vietnam and now work in our Saigon office in coordination with our international offices in Thailand, Singapore, and the United States.
Back from the dead.
Now back to our topic for today. We see a lot of people make the same mistakes when they come and live and work in Vietnam. They do business deals, they find their significant others, but they are definitely unprepared and unprotected from a legal standpoint when they face a situation because they didn't have the proper planning and the proper legal advice. In the US or other Western countries, people are constantly reminded to get legal advice either for business or for personal. And Vietnam should not be an exception for you. Don't get me wrong, Vietnam's a great place to live and work, and thus we recommend watching our video, Why to Invest in Vietnam. Just take a look at our pop-up banner in the top right corner or click on the description below. We always recommend that you have legal protection in Vietnam. That's why today we want to share with you the 5 reasons why you need a lawyer in Vietnam. The first reason why you need a lawyer in Vietnam is when you're doing business expansion activities. And just right after the pandemic outbreak, Vietnam experienced a lot of manufacturing relocations where China is no longer the viable option. They are coming from the US, EU, Japan, and South Korea. Expansion and relocation requires due diligence, identifying the right property, tax optimization, and the right joint venture partners. But did you know that there are already built factories waiting for you to come in? It allows you to get a factory up and running with only 3 months. And that you need legal advice before expanding your business into Vietnam to make sure you start on the right foot. The second reason why you would need to hire an attorney is when you open up a new business, such as a coffee shop or a franchise or a factory. The rules and regulations are very important, especially the percentage ownership for foreigners. There are a lot of limitations, majority, minority. So therefore, when you open up a business, make sure you get legal counsel. The third reason why you would need a lawyer is in the area of intellectual property. You gotta make sure you protect your trademarks, your copyrights, and your patents. Many technology companies and multinationals, when they come into Vietnam, they haven't registered the trademark. And then a competitor takes their slogan, their website, or their logo. So technology companies are very, very important. Sometimes they put in marketing, advertising, and a lot of collateral, but they actually haven't registered the trademark yet, so it's very hard to protect. The second area is in entertainment. As a director, a writer, an actor, or a singer, you got to make sure that you register your trademarks, your slogans, and of course your copyrights to protect. We've seen it many times, and we protect a lot of our clients through the registration and the advising. At Yeung Global, we make sure that your intellectual property needs are met and they're protected so that you can make money off of your brand. The fourth reason why you would have an attorney in Vietnam is definitely when you acquire real estate. You're looking at residential, commercial, and of course industrial parks. With residential, a lot of beautiful buildings here. You're looking at the law, the ownership, foreign quotas. If you're looking at commercial buildings as a BTEXCO or the Opera House or one of these other iconic buildings, you have to look whether you should use a company or you should use an individual to own it and whether you're gonna have a venture capital group. A great lawyer will help you identify the best solution for your needs. Is it better for you to rent or buy? Will you acquire it? And what's a foreign quota? Even buying real estate such as a beach house in Da Nang or an apartment in Saigon. Should you hold it as a personal or as a company? Only trustworthy counselors can guide you in the right direction. The fifth reason why you should get a lawyer in Vietnam is when you have a legal dispute. Vietnam is a great country with wonderful people, but like anywhere in the world, you can potentially run into civil disputes. On a personal level, the most common civil disputes as a foreign citizen are marriage disputes, custody disputes, and adoptions. Just like a legal system in many countries, Vietnam has a different legal system than in your country. Thus, it's very advisable that you talk to an attorney in the local jurisdiction that has international experience and also may know the law of your native country to combine it with the Vietnamese law in order to give you comprehensive legal advice regarding your legal disputes. Now that we talked about the top 5 reasons why you need a lawyer in Vietnam, we would recommend that you come here for 6 months and see where the opportunities are, what the challenges are, and to see whether Vietnam suits you. Thank you very much for watching our video. Make sure that you like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow all our social media accounts, and let us know how our legal team can help you. See you later.
Back from the dead. Back from the dead.